Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to edit or customize Wix checkout page. So there are basically only a few things that you can change. They are changing your name or logo, setting a minimum order, customizing the checkout field, adding store policies, adding subscription checkbox, removing the promo code leave, and letting your customers leave a tip. So if you have any of this, for suppose for logo, all you need to do is go to settings, into dashboard, and then click on business info. From there you can edit the business name or edit the logo, and if you want to set a minimum order amount, you need to go to settings and then click on e-commerce settings, and then from there you can do it. If you want to do the checkout field, then you need to go to settings, into e-commerce field, and then click on customize your checkout section, and from there you can add preset and basically whatever you want. Suppose this is mandatory, this is mandatory, this is mandatory, just select whichever ones, and then you can also add a custom field if you want, and then you can add store policies. And to do that, all you need to do is go to settings, e-commerce settings, and then checkout policies, and then select the ones that you want to be shown. And then if you want to add a subscription checkbox, all you need to do is go to settings, e-commerce settings, subscription checkbox, and you can enable this one. And basically these are all the things you can do. And thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.